the details of these.
So basically, in both of these works that I'm presenting at the India platform are about that phase or that situation in life where one has to let go and be prepared for the next phase to start, a new beginning. So in this case, there is a story going on in the background where there is this elephant which is caught by this crocodile, as you can see, and is struggling with the crocodile for many years altogether. And then there's this one moment of submission where the elephant just completely lets go of it and lets go of the struggle basically. And when that moment of submission happens, then new possibilities sort of start manifesting in front of him. And that's what I've tried to show over here, where like a new strange creature full of, it's like full of life, is sort of birthing out of a column which is made out of concrete. And that is a very, a concrete that is a concrete cement column, which is a very cold medium. And from that you see like this strange creature coming out, which is yet to take full form or full shape. So you can't predict what the future is going to be, but there's definitely a new beginning. So there is, I wanted to talk about that moment of transition in this piece as well as in the other one. So that's what this work is about. Basically, the seed of the work lies in my own life somewhere, and that's where the inspiration comes from. And otherwise, I obviously observe a lot of things happening around me, and I try to incorporate all of that. I love birds, and they almost always find a way in my work, and that's a way of expressing. And I really want to have a sort of a universal language so that anybody can associate themselves with it. But yeah, the seed of the work always lies somewhere in my own life. In this case, I deliberately did a narrative in the backdrop because I wanted to say, I wanted to talk about this whole story of struggle as well as submission. And then there is like this new thing happening. So yeah, here I've made an exception. There is a narrative going on, but not always. I work a lot with metal scrap. That's one medium that really excites me. I go to a lot of industrial scrap yards, collect. The materials over there are so wild, I feel, and they are so full of potential. I feel I can really mold them around in my own way and give them a new life, which also in a way is a moment of transition, because a work which a material which has its own history is taking on a new form now in the form of art. So that's very exciting for me. I love working with that. And yes, I love cement as a medium as well.